What's up guys, it's your boy XRX Games. As some of you may know, I do live streams and playthroughs of Pokemon games old and new, and I get asked a lot how to randomize the games that I play. So, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to easily randomize Pokemon Colosseum and Pokemon XD Gale of Darkness. Let's get into the video. To be able to do this, you'll need to have an ISO file of the game you want to randomize. For legal reasons, mainly around piracy, I will not be able to provide this to you. But if you want to find out how to do this, just follow the WikiHow on how to do it. I'm sure there are copies available online to download, but I wouldn't know where, and I would recommend you go careful downloading if you find one. Once you have your ISO file of the game you want to randomize, you will need to go into Google and search NGC Randomizer, and click on the rotobash/Pokemon NGC Rando link you see here. Once you find yourself on the GitHub page, scroll down to where it shows this part here, which says installing, and click on the download the latest release of the randomizer. This will take you to a page that looks like this, with various versions of the randomizer. You'll then want to click on the asset called ngc-randomizer.zip and begin to download the zip file. As you can see, the zip file has downloaded at the bottom here, so we are going to open it in your file extraction program. For me, this is ExpressZip. You then want to go to your desktop or documents and make a folder called NGC Randomizer. This is just so it's easy to find. You then want to select the folder in the zip file you downloaded and extract this to the new folder you just made. This will look something like this. You can then click into the folder and open this program called Randomizer. This will then load up a program and it will look something like this. This is when you will need the ISO file I mentioned at the start of the video. In the program, you will want to click Load ISO and select the ISO you have prepared. From here, you will see the logo of the game that is loaded. In my case, this is Pokemon Colosseum. Don't worry though, this does also work for Gale of Darkness. You can now randomize to your heart's content. For today's video, I will just show you how it works. So I'll be randomizing the trainer Pokemon, the Pokemon abilities, and the starter Pokemon. But using this randomizer, you will be able to change other things like TMs, items, evolutions, and if you're a crazy human being, turn off the XP gained. Once this is done, you will then want to click on the randomize button at the top just under the load ISO button, and this will save the randomized file as a new file. You will need to save it somewhere. I recommend the folder we created earlier. The randomizer will do its thing and it will give a little pop-up to say it's done, like here. Now you should be able to play a randomized version of Pokemon Colosseum or Pokemon XD Gale of Darkness. Just to show you this works, let's load our new game and see. So as you can see, we've made our way to the outpost, we've got through the loading screen, we're going into our first battle, and let's have a look to make sure we have randomized Pokemon, the trainer's Pokemon are randomized, and that we have randomized abilities. So Rider Willy would have, I think, a Zigzagoon and a Whismur, or something like that, but as you can see, he has Hitmontop and Doduo. So randomized trainers works. Now for my Pokemon, which should be Umbreon and Espeon, it's Kabutops and Mawile. This is a success, as you can see, but we are just going to quickly check the abilities of the Pokemon. So as you can see, for some reason Kabutops does not have an ability, but Mawile has Flash Fire, which if you ask me, is pretty good. But with that being said, people, thank you for watching. Hopefully this tutorial has helped, and I will hopefully see you in a future live stream, which I stream Mondays and Wednesdays, UK time 7 PM. It's been your boy XRX. Peace out for now.